Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove recognized devices from your Facebook account on PC. Facebook's recent update has made this process even simpler, so let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Settings and Privacy and click on it. From there, you'll want to select Activity Log. This will take you to a new page where you can see all your recent Facebook activity. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Security and Login Information. Click on that, and it'll expand to show more options. Among these options, you'll see Recognized Devices. This is where Facebook keeps track of all the devices you've used to log into your account. Click on it to see the full list. Take a moment to review the devices listed here. You might be surprised at how many there are. If you spot any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, it's time to remove them. To remove a device, look for the three dots next to its name. Click on those dots, and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, select Remove. And just like that, the device is no longer recognized by Facebook. It's that simple. Remember, it's a good practice to regularly check and clean up your recognized devices list. This helps keep your account secure and ensures that only the devices you currently use have access to your Facebook account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to remove recognized devices from your Facebook account on PC. Keep your account secure, and thanks for watching.